Hey YouTubers, what is up? Yeah, well, today I got something special because a friend of mine wanted to know what was behind my back. She thought it was a ghost, which is funny. I thought it was funny. I look back and all of a sudden it's not a ghost. It's my puppet friend. I'll show you to him. Yeah, my puppyolo, my puppet. I'm gonna stand up now because I don't got long enough arms. Here he comes, here he comes. Hi, 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 hi. Hey, you're moving the camera there, bub. I'm sorry. Whee. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Oh no, the camera fell. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh. Whew. Yeah, that was my friend. Yeah. But yeah, that was an ape. He was just something I got when I was a kid. But yeah. I don't know like when my next video is gonna be. It might be a while or two, maybe a couple months, I don't know. But as soon as I get something really cool, it's going straight to YouTube. Fans, you gotta watch it. No, I'm kidding. But yeah, it'd be cool. I just need like I just need stars, ratings, and some subscriptions, basics basically, comments, stars, anything nice, you know. Make me feel happy. Because I love YouTube, and I know all you YouTube fanners do too. I can make some really good ones. If there's actually one friend out there that just completely laughs at me because all my videos make me look retarded and stuff. It's funny. I just sit there and make fun of myself. Yeah, I make fun of myself. Woo for me. Cell phone. My process. Okay, I'm kidding. No, this is my process. No, this is my process. I'm kidding. I was just messing around. Alright. Have fun, YouTube fanners, and watch me, rate me, star me, whatever. Comment, subscribe, and have fun.